Morning.
Lee.
GU.
GJ plus enough over here. My days. The Asian session was interesting, and then the Friday was interesting too. Okay, so let me just put this on. Wow, mangled these charts. Holy shit. Beautiful. So, yeah, we'll get into this in a second. Morning, everyone.
Morning, Max.
Did you see your energy, you, Steve? Morning, Paulie. Steve, did you see your energy, you?
Yeah, I've been playing with GU.
Very nice.
We had a big, whatever you call that gap, I can't remember.
A big, just a gap in the morning.
Fair value.
Nah, I think it's just this one here.
No.
Like when the market opens and it just gaps. Yeah.
Oh. Me trying to be clever. Okay. Do you reckon they did another intervention?
I think a fair value gap is. I don't know. We'll split it into such comes on. We'll have a look. We'll go through it. Wander's not better. Yeah, we could use a Wander, I suppose. Let's take a look. I quite like the gap. Actually, it doesn't really make much difference now because it's already filled. It's already been filled.
Bless you.
I'll keep it on. I'll just keep on FX. Actually, no, I'll do no gap. Right, my fucking interference again is wild. Jesus. Okay, so let's get my YouTube up and all that good stuff. There we go. Who called GJ buys? So yeah, let's get started. Right, so good morning everyone. Wait, your mic is low. Oh, 1 second. Let's take a look. No, I should be all right now. I think you should be good now. Let's take a look at the sound as well. Yeah, I think it should be okay. Can you guys hear me now? Okay. So let's just start on GG over here. So the weekly time frame, obviously very bullish already. Jesus Christ, I've already pushed up quite a lot. Filled that wick already, which is mad. There must have been something going on in the news, either through Asian or stuff happened on the weekend. But yeah, the daily time frame right now is bullish, clearly, which is good to see. Yeah, pretty bullish. Take a look at the 4-hour time frame. The 4-hour is also bullish, closed bullish, where we had a massive spike down, and then we've just been retracing all the way back up again. And we're back at the highs again, which isn't the best, to be honest with you. 1 second, guys. I'm gonna have to quit this view Zoom. This interference is killing me. Be 1 sec. I'll join you another one. 1 second. This Zoom is ass. Ah, the audio, man. See that. We'll see this one over here. Just a little difficulties every 2 minutes. Just get this sorted out. I don't know what's wrong with it today, but it's fucking bad. There we go. Let's get this. See if that's any better, but I don't think it is. You can already hear it. Pretty painful. But anyway, okay. So the 4-hour time frame is pushing up over here. So we are coming towards the highs. If I'm gonna take trades in GJ, it is not going to be on the highs. I'm not going to take buys here. I'm not going to take sells here unless I get some good rejection. I'd happily just wait and see what things are going to do in this area, because of the fact that, you know, it's quite it's a high zone. It's rejected it fucking billions of times. So I'm gonna have to either wait for it to make some clean zones for me, or to just push out and then I can start to trade it maybe tomorrow, right? So let's just take a look at the 30-minute time frame in terms of where I want to take trades. Yeah, I mean, there ain't too much clean, really, unless it's below. 1 second, I'll move that. Below 167.290, I see there's a support down there. Let's take a look to the left. There's a resistance there. Yeah, probably below these levels, to be honest with you, for the sells. Below 167, flat, to then continue back down to 165. But you can see what happened in the Asian session. Wow, right at 12 o'clock we just launched. Let's see if there's any news for that. So there wasn't any straight news there, but there might be of some here 7 hours ago or something. Japan, yeah, something to do with the FX. Yeah, quite a lot of news actually came out. Quite a lot of news. Let's mute him there. Morning. Have you seen the chart this morning? Oh my god.
Fucking GJ dropped 300 pips at 2 in the morning at midnight and a half. What the fuck it was?
Holy shit.
280 pips.
I know.
Fucking hell.
Yeah, so in terms of GJ, you know, I want to take areas where I can get nice trades, and it's probably going to be above right now, right? It's going to be above 170. So if I want to take trades above 170, you know, I have to wait for some either support forming. So that's what I'm probably going to do. If I'm at an all-time high, I'm not going to just take a closure above. Okay, I'm not going to take just a closure above the zone to continue, because it is at an all-time high and the resistance can be quite hard. So what I'm just going to do is I'm going to wait. It might happen today, it might not. I'm going to wait for price to come to this level, see if it can break. If it can break, great. And then maybe potentially later on we can then retrace a little bit. So do something like this. And then I'm going to wait until we make some support, and then I'm going to ride it back up. Okay, because I don't think there's any reason to really get in too early. So that's what I'm going to wait for. So that's what I'm going to do. So yeah, I mean, it's quite hard in terms of where I'd want to take a GJ trade. But that's fine. I'm just going to let it do its thing. And yeah, let's look at the hourly. Yeah, like there's hourly rejections. I just don't want to be buying into an area where I know it rejects a lot. EJ looking tasty. Really? EJ looking tasty? See, there's a 5-minute OB. That looks pretty tasty. I'll go for that in a sec, but I kind of want to do Goldie. I think Goldie's probably the only one that I like. So I actually drew these zones. Yeah, I drew these zones for the weekly outlook. I want sells below 1642. I want buys above 1680. There's also an OB before we get there. So let's just get into this. But I did that on the higher time frame to see what I wanted to look for. So yeah, the last daily time frame on Friday closed bullish. So it's like a double bottom, which is good. Price should continue back bullish now. It's already pushed quite a lot in Asian. Yeah, it's pushed quite a lot. Holy shit, it's like 150 pips. So it's already pushed quite a lot. Daily time frame right now is bearish. The 4 hours also bearish. Take a look here. 4 hours also bearish. Let's get this. There we go. Yeah, so 4 hour also bearish coming down, which is good. In terms of where I want to take trades, though, you can already see, where I really want to take trades. It's going to be here in this zone. That's probably going to be the nicest, cleanest zone because they move clean there, move clean there, move clean there. So that's where I really want to target for the sells. Let's take a look then in terms of where we're at now. So there is a big support, like I said before, here. 1642. Below there, we're closing back into this zone, and we should be filling this zone up. So this would be nice to take sells below there. I'd really like that for the sells. In terms of a bit later on, in terms of here, like where I'd want to take sells and stuff like that, it's quite hard because the zone is quite rangy to the left. There's a lot of support. There's a lot of support there, which is 1647. But I mean, you could get to there. We could get to there. So let's just take a look on for the highs as well for the buys. Yeah, I think for me the buys, same kind of thing on GJ. The buys are going to be quite hard until we get above here. Why? Well, if you get above 1682, you can see we've got clean candles all the way up here. We've got clean candles all the way up there. So that's going to be probably the easiest way to take a trade there. So that's what I'm going to wait for, I think. Also, look at that spike as well, back up to these highs. Look how many resistances there are in this area. So, yeah, I'm probably going to wait for the spies much later on. Unfortunately. But it's because of what the price has given me before in this area. It doesn't look too good, so. 1682.5. Oh, thank you very much for subscribing, BB. Okay, let's take a look at the 5-minute time frame, see if there's any trend lines we're looking at. Have you got one on, Manuel? Wow, there's a lot of...
Yeah, but price action is really bit...
Yeah, it's rough.
Yeah.
It's a little
one
bit...
ascendant and one descendant.
Yeah, I don't like it. I don't like it for the set for the ascending one. Let's take a look at the... Yeah, it's alright, but I don't really like the market conditions, to be honest. Probably leave that alone. So yeah, I mean, maybe potentially sells below 1648. In terms of right now, though, I don't really like the zone still, to be honest. So it's just one of them things. Sometimes you get some nice zones, sometimes you don't. But right now, there's a lot of news come out, especially in GJ and stuff. I mean, even gold launched here. Look at that.
I read yesterday before market open. That's why we had that huge GJ gap. That Boris Johnson was not applying for PM.
Yeah, run. I heard that.
And then it was written below as well. As soon as he said that he was not going to run, GBP ran up until what was it? 0.8% or something like that.
Yeah, it did push.
Yeah.
This bit here.
It was
bit down and then this bit up.
Let me just check my PC. I have the gap at Yeah, from a huge gap. Gap goes from 66.834 until 68.236. So it's huge. It's 200 pip gap.
Yeah.
But it got filled already with the
Yeah, I
with the
said that.
push.
With the Asian
Yeah.
push. Yeah.
Where
Oh,
it dropped in a
yes.
5-minute candle.
Yeah,
200
ridiculous.
Oh,
Yeah,
fuck.
spreads are high as well. Yeah, I agree. The spreads are quite high. I mean, GJ's 2 pips, Goldie's 1. Yeah, GJ's moving to 2.5 there. Jesus. But anyway, I'm not taking trades up here anyway. I'm just gonna let it do its thing. If that means I don't have to take any trades this morning or today, then that's fine. So be it. But I don't want to risk taking it, especially with.
I'd like to reflect on the high time frame as well. You haven't.
Sorry, Paulie.
Sorry.
That's why the gap occurred. Max, wouldn't you take GJ buys above 169,500? 500. Okay, so let me just draw a line then. Let's just draw a horizontal line at 500. So if I was wanting to take buys at 500, let me just move this again. I'll lock this in. If I want to take buys at 500, look on the 4-hour time frame first. Does that look good to you? That's green line here. We're taking a buy there, be good. I don't think it would be too good because if you look to the left, we've got a rejection wick. It's rejected before. We've got resistance there. So that doesn't look too good, right? If I want to take a buy there, it's probably going to be a little bit of trouble. Take a look at the hourly time frame. Same kind of thing. We're coming towards the rejection wick. So for me personally here, look, if would you really want to take a buy there when there's resistance right there? Or resistance wick right there? Hell no. Come on, man. Use some common sense. Would you really want to take the trades up here? You know, even if you got 10 pips out of it, you still got this resistance there, which is like 3 pips away. So it's just... it's not enough. It could still work out. I just think overall, if you did this trade 1,000 times, you would be losing money. Because you're just at all-time highs, well, very much all-time highs recently. And look at this daily, man. Look at this rejection zone. So anything in this area, I'm not touching. Hell no. Yeah, we'll take a look at EJ as well, but I'm pretty sure it looks the same thing. So yeah, I'll also put here sells below 1642. Just close your eyes and buy. And yeah, just close your eyes and buy GJ. See how that goes. Hopefully it won't do this. Was that literally in 1 5-minute candle? Yeah, it was. Holy shit. Damn. Morning. Oh.
Fuck you, was I?
Have you took a trade yet, Fid?
Yeah, 2.
2? On what?
Joking up. I haven't taken shit yet.
I'm
I'll
taking
complete fabrication.
Fucking hell.
Oh, well, I took 150 pips up, so fuck you, Fid.
Oh.
GJ, 4-hour flip and 5-minute W.
Oh, about time you fucking learn how to do something.
I know, it's been long enough, hasn't it?
4-hour flip and 5-minute W. Oh, okay.
W didn't properly form, so
No.
I got it on 4-hour, but the W was like a little confirmation. It just
Yeah,
ran, so I couldn't put it on 5-minute W by itself.
Yeah, 15 support there is quite nice as well. Very nice. Yeah, these charts, when I worked at this morning, I was like, what the fuck has happened here? We've launched from 169 to 165 once, twice, 3 times. What the fuck? That's madness. Hope everyone on YouTube is good. How was your Friday? I think it was quite busy. Took one winning trade, which was good. And I was busy for the rest of it. But there was Don took a nice trade actually. I took that one whilst I was away actually. No time to think about it, but that was, where was it actually? Let's take a look at the 30 minute. This one here? No. day was it? Was it on the Friday? It might not have been on the Friday. I think it was here. I know. I don't know where it was. NY Open. That trend line for buyers in gold can actually work on Friday. Yeah, I mean, holy shit! How many black teds did we do yesterday? I think you said.
Friday had a very nice black ted. Break, retest, and then push.
Which one? Because we took a black ted on Friday as well. Which one? Was there another one?
Let me check.
Because I took. What time did I take it at? Oh, it was like here, I'm pretty sure. Did I do it from this high here? Yeah, I did, look. I took this one here. Put it in the group as well. That was nice. It's so nice when it goes in, when it comes and retests the low that's just broken out of. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. That was the trade.
And the other one was from the high at, or was this shit? Just
1645.
It was at 28.03. Yeah, from that wait, let me like this from that one. Yeah, and then you do it a steep one. Yeah.
Oh, a steepy one.
Yeah.
Like,
No,
wow.
yeah, like that. Yes, like that. You had 2 hours
Did you take that one?
I took that one, and I closed full position at 25 pips, and I should have let it open because it just ran like a motherfucker.
Let's take a look at this 3 minute. Was there a W here? Yep. Look at that W there. Oh. What time is this at? Yeah, 1:30. Look at that W, man.
Yeah.
Buy, stop loss below, eat. Very, very nice. Caught that whole drop on GJ on Friday, 256 pips. Oh my god. Oh my god, very nice. Ah, okay. Andrea, yeah, I'm trying to think of where that was though. The Dom trade that I took. 'Cause I took it. Oh, was it 12:30? Yeah, it was. Yeah, so I liked how this 30-minute closed below the support to continue back down to the lows. Nice little tot wick. Stop loss above the previous was too big. I think Don used it, yeah, like a 40 pip stop. I was like, fuck that. I went on the 15 and I waited for this top wick to form and then I put my stop there. So my stop was like 13 pips. I was in a where was I? I was somewhere. I was doing something. I was like, oh, let me just check Don's stream and see if he's found anything. And he did. And I was like, oh my fucking god, I'm gonna take his help. 15 pip stop though. That was nice. And I held it there. 30 pips, that was good. Then look at that bullish engulfing as well on the 15, that was nice. Nice low work as well there, 145. Oh, very nice. Sell a, okay, FOREX signals live. Sell AUD JPY TP 93832. Amazing. What is the stop? What is the stop? Is Brian here this morning? Ooh. Sleeping. He looked at the charts today and went, I'm gonna relax a little bit. Morning Maxi, morning Roshi boy. Yeah, I'll take a look at EJ now. Same kind of thing though on Goldie, like he's came up to these highs and gone, ooh, this is a little bit risque. Okay, so it's just one of the things, sometimes you get dealt an easy card for the morning, sometimes you don't, and you got to know which ones to take advantage of. Right now, I think it's going to be a little bit hard to find a zone. In terms of the hourly time frames in EJ, you can see they're very, very weak. They're very small. Wicks of the bodies as well are pretty shit. So looking like there's not much volume. 50-minute time frame ranging pretty hard. 147, yeah, 147.080, maybe buy above there. to maybe continue back above 147, 450. That could be okay. I'm here, don't sleep on that chart. Surprise off of it. Kick her out, see. Oh my god, Brian. Tons of noise. Great. Yeah, EJ as well. Kind of just ranging. Bad price action, so. So yeah, I mean, a good thing, guys, if you wanted to learn how to do this 5-minute trend line that we've been taking, is normally when the price action's a little bit meh, we just leave it alone, because it can get you stuck into taking a trade which is normally really good with no volume, and it just doesn't work. But yeah, overall this month for Black Teds, we've taken 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 Black Teds, all winners, I'm pretty sure. All of them are winners. Which is pretty good. Pretty good, pretty good. And can you see over here as well, the one loss we took last week? My stop loss was 21 pips, but we managed at -10. So that was really, really good work as well for managing the risk. Good stuff, good stuff.
Gold might fly.
Gold might fly.
Yeah.
Look at the fives. Starting to turn up. I don't know.
If you push the Black Teds from the top, one touch, you had one break, close below, and that the next one closed right on it. The next one retested it, and it's now pushing up.
Yep. What's a Black Ted, mate? Is that the 5-minute trend line strategy? Yes. We just call it Black Ted because we call Jason the Black Ted, who's the one who saw it in the first place. Oh yeah. Also, gold can reject that 1 hour. Looks nasty if we disrespect that 1 hour fake out. I'm buying. This one here, yeah. Yeah, I think at the moment it's a little bit sore. But yeah, for sure, if we start breaking this 1 hour fake out, it should be good at least come to 1661.
I have a small support at 55.86. If the 15-minute closes above it, then it closes above the trend line as well.
Yeah.
And I go down to the 5 minutes. Hopefully, we get a retest on the trend line or on that support at 55.86, and then to push up. If it works, of course.
Yeah. I mean, it's clean candles though, right? It's clean candles here, so it should be pretty good. I just don't know if you're gonna get the retest. 55.
Yeah, we don't want to retest. We just want it to rock it.
Boy's already in.
I'm 20 odd pips up.
Nice. Let's take a look at this tap. Yeah, it's the first close.
Might just go.
Yeah.
Fingers crossed.
It'll go. In terms of the left hand side here, though, nice. How big's the zone as well? You get 13, 14, 15 pips. Is any resistances on the 15? A little minor support there, which could cause for an issue, but for the most part, it's good. It's very nice.
Yes.
There you go.
Yes. There's 30 pips. TP1 is 40.
Beautiful. You've got 10 if you just took that there. Just about. Just about. Very nice. It's so good though with the trend line as well, to which ones you want to take and which not. You just need, all you need to go is, right, is it clean to the left? Is the zone big enough? Is there any 15-minute or 30-minute reses? And that's legit. And if they're all correct, then you just take it. And they're pretty good. The drawdown on them as well is beautiful. It's fucking no drawdown. 3-minute trend line. Oh, look at the 3-minute. That was a nice little retrace there as well. Beautiful. 235 people in here. Make sure to like the stream, guys. It's another beautiful Monday. Ready for Halloween this week. Halloween this week or is it next week? Like a bit of Halloween.
Fuck Halloween.
Max, if this
Yeah.
gold comes back to retest now, is that done because it's already pushed for you?
For me, it's already came pretty close to TP, which is there. So yeah, it's for me, it's if it hits TP1 already, then it's a no go. Yeah. Also, this is a pretty bearish candle.
It's a massive rejection.
Yeah, this is pushing.
Yeah.
But yeah, I always say that as a rule. If it gets very close to your edge, level what you would have taken profits off, hell no going into it when it comes back. It could just reject, right? Because realistically, your TP1 is at a resistance, or the next level it could have an issue. If it taps it and then retraces and fucking launches the other way, it's done what it's it's found its resistance. So yeah, I always stay away from that. I'm on the 3. I don't know, man. I don't know about this gold. I think I'm not gonna rush into this. I'm just gonna let it do its thing. I think this sell-off could be quite nice. From 1653 down, actually might not be too bad. The only issue is the fucking look at this wicks here, man. Boy, yeah, this is only shit, man. I'm taking my time today. You scare us daily. Don't want to imagine Halloween, mate. I need to get a costume, actually. Fuck. It goes Batman or some shit. That was Friday. Close those weeks. Yeah, that's true. Yeah, Friday
2 for
close.
2.
Huh?
2 for 2 on gold.
You take the sell as well.
No, I took the sell earlier. And then I took the buy at the lows.
Beautiful. Snuggy because you're never out of it.
Beautiful, man. 60
Dude.
pips before 8 o'clock.
Yeah, that's the best day. That's the best day, boy.
If you actually look in the chat, I did say, is anybody looking on Goldie bars? Nobody replied.
Well, because no one was looking for Goldie buys. Did you look at the lower time frame? Like, what was your reason for taking the buys there? Just is that support and it was holding?
1 minute.
Well, yeah. Big brain play. Is that a little W there as well?
Koji took the sells. He put it in the chat.
She.
Koji.
I can't pronounce the names.
Super Asian highs, cut the sells, very, very nice. Oh yeah, 50-minute close bearish. How much was a stop above? Oh, fucking hell. Stops are massive. But 23 pips, yeah. Oh no, 26 pips, that's not too bad. That was like 36, like fucking hell. See you later, honey, love you, bye. God, she's going in early. Jesus Christ, it's 7:30 for me.
Get away from you.
I know. Ending on the 5-minute, beautiful. Yeah, that was nice. That flip there and the 5 was good. Beautiful, beautiful. So yeah, just be careful about the buys again, man. This is a big rejection zone. I think a lot of us would rather wait for the sells. So 30-minute flipping the 4-hour flip as well, man. Look at the wicks here. Oh, so yeah, if you want to lose all your money this week, just try and take buys around this area.
Mission accepted.
Yep. Perfect. That's perfect. Lose all your money there. Did anyone find out what this was? Was it Boris here at 12 o'clock that it came out? Or was this Boris? Or was this Boris?
The Boris was. I read the news around 10:45 last night, and then market opened. As soon as market opened, it leave that huge gap.
Yeah. Yeah, this one here.
You got 2 fucking names for?
What?
That Koji is Andrea Lucia.
Ah! It's a nickname. Ah! I thought they were 2 different people.
I thought it was a woman.
It's Ninja's friend.
It's all good. This
But since that 15-minute GJ fakes out both 15-minute resistances, close back in, drops 24 pips, 7 pip stop.
Yeah, too bad. Not too baddy. What the fuck? Brian and Roche, this fucking language you speak. I'm trying to think of what it would mean. Jama is good. Wait. Jama, that means that your mama is okay. Is your mama okay? Let's see. ¿Dónde estás? Ain't your mama joke, Maxi. God. Ain't your mama joke. So what actually day is it? It's nearly the end of October. Yeah, it is, man. Holy crap. Time goes too quick, man. Time goes too quick.
Yeah, blink, Max, you'll have no hair and you'll be 40.
No, I've already felt that now. Since the age of 18, it just goes so quick.
The worst thing is, Max, is sitting here as a 40-year-old, wishing I was your age again and all the things I'd do differently.
Do differently?
Oh, yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Like what? Give me some advice.
I'd be single. I'd have no kids.
Oh my god. Really?
Yeah.
Oh, I'd be single. I love that. No kids. Oh, but kids bring a lot of joy though, eh?
Yeah, for the majority of people, yeah.
Yeah.
Not for me.
Pain in the ass.
Alwyn. Speak tongue, didn't it?
Yeah. He's saying what a beautiful soul you are. Amazing. Yeah, look at the volume on EJ as well. Are the spreads still bad on GJ? The spread's still a bit nah. Yeah, it's still quite big. Wow, interesting. 2 pip spreads. That sounds revolting. So the hourly's flipped on gold. I know everyone who's a bit giggity would probably try and get in here a little bit early.
No, I'm only waiting for a break of ascending trend line.
I can't find the ascending trend line.
Go from here.
There's so many fucking
like
punts.
No, let it be like that from here. Like that.
Oh, like that. Yeah. Oh, yeah. That's actually quite a nice one.
That's what I have.
Yeah, that's actually not too bad. Only issues needs to close below that.
Oh, you got it earlier, Max.
And there's also an OB. Fuck. Huh? I had this drawn earlier. Nah, I was looking down there to try because I just feel it. I wanted to get low.
No, when Manuel talked about it earlier, I thought you got it then.
Nah, I thought you meant a further one down. But I see that one. Yeah, my only cause of concern is let's just go through this, right? So below here, it's 16 pips. It is an OB though, isn't it? It's a candle before changing direction. It doesn't really broke anything. I just broke that, I suppose. So that could be a little bit scary. And yeah, there's 15-minute support right here, so gotta be a little bit cautious. Look at that reaction though. That's good though. It looks like it's holding. So what's your 4-hour flip? I can't see it. It's just where the 4-hour flips. It's just so I see the higher time frames. So like here, if I'm looking at gold and I'm looking at trades here, I know that the daily and the 4-hour are all here. They're above price, so it means that they're both bearish. So I want to kind of stick on the trend, right? Yeah, 15-minute closure below really is okay. I just think I'd want to maybe a little bit lower. Let's look at the 30 again. It's the same thing as a 30, actually 30 support. So we shall see. Oh, GJ's reflipped. 5-minute close bullish. Support forming by to the highs. Are you going to take trades on Nance? No. Oh, I will not take trades on NAS. Is there quite a lot of news this week? Let's take a look. So today there's a lot of Euro news, GDP, manufacturing PMI, level of diffusion index based on survey purchasing managers in the manufacturing industry. Interesting. So that's okay. A lot of Euro news, a lot of GDP news. Let's take a look tomorrow. Tomorrow isn't too bad, especially for the morning, which is good. Yeah, tomorrow is actually not too bad. Wednesday, a lot of red folders for CAD. GBP is okay though, so in the morning it'll be fine again. Let's just hope the NY session gets some nice volume this week. Realized sales in GBP. Retailers, wholesalers. Advanced GDP, that's going to be interesting on USD. Oh, they expect 2.3%. That's quite a bit more than minus 0.6. So that'll be interesting to see. So yeah, that'll be quite a... I might do a news on that. GDP would be quite a good one to do for news. But not too bad actually for news, really. Not too bad.
Yeah, CPY on Friday.
Yeah. CPY... Is it CPY? Where?
Yeah. Friday.
For what? USD?
USD.
I can't see it. I've got GDP for CAD. Oh, there. Yeah. Core price indexed.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's going to be interesting as well.
Yeah, so
Fucking gold, just do something.
Yeah, it's not
So
good.
fucking boring.
I know. Max, what do you think about Raja flipping 5k account to 10k in 3 weeks? Amazing. That's just what Raja does, boy. I meant, what level is it? I can't see the number next to the 4-hour flip. Bro, just go on your chart and put the fucking line where the 4-hour flip is. It's different on every chart.
How you do it, alright?
Okay, I'll do it. Okay, it's at 1658.25. All you have to do is go on the 4-hour time frame, look at the 4-hour candle, and put it where the flip is. You do it all right. How was your motocross thing, MotoGP thing?
Yeah, it was insane.
What was that?
I can't remember most of it, but it was good.
Really, you Steven?
I'm still
A bit hungover.
just a little, yeah.
That's great.
That was good though.
You quit vapes, Max. Actually, you just reminded me, I've got a vape. But I only bought it last week because Friday was a very traumatic experience for that day, to be honest with you.
Are you on nicotine?
Yeah, boy.
You should get rid of that.
You should see the kids in Leeds. Oh my god, they're all outside the vape shops. They're about fucking 12 years old, all getting them. Not mad. Max, are you moving the Sims in the afternoon? Yes, I think I'm going to try it this week. I'm going to try the Sims at 3 o'clock. Actually, sorry, not 3 o'clock, 2 o'clock. Yeah. That is the THC, THC, he is vaping? No. No. I was playing a game with my friends. What was it? And I was so fucking big that they were actually getting pissed off playing with me because I was so retarded at the game. So I'm playing with a game with them tonight, so I'm not going to be doing any of that. I'm available at 2 o'clock, so that move works fine for me. Yeah, so the people in the YouTube chat, the reason why I'm moving the Sims later on is because the gap in the middle, I'm missing some trades every so often. It's quite annoying. So I'm just going to do some of the work that I'll be doing after 2 o'clock in that time. I can still look at the chart all day, so yeah, we'll try it out. We'll try it out. Rip a fat vape for the stream, Max. Okay. I'll try.
You wouldn't last off those things.
Can you even see it? Oh yeah, you can. Brian said he will sponsor me if I can go the entire week without losing a single trade. I think Hein should listen to, should go for that webinar that we just did about cheeky trades. I think Hein takes a lot of cheeky trades that he thinks that may work and then slap in the face and it kind of pisses him off. Cheeky trades are the ones to paper trade. That's all you gotta do, man. Paper them.
I stopped smoking last week.
I know you said. Well done, well done. Smoking tabs, but I don't really smoke tabs. I don't even smoke this either, to be honest. I only do it when I'm out with my mates because I just nick their vapes. And it's not really fair me nicking their vapes.
Just get some patches, Max.
I don't need it. I don't need the I only do it for like social occasions. Like we went to a quiz last night. We always do the quiz on Sundays. I don't really get that. I'm more addicted to just eating food. But actually, I've been really good recently as well in terms of that. So I'm getting good, man. Just you wait until the summer stream next year. I'm gonna be jacked. Throw that vape out the window then. No, Brian, I'll hit someone.
Have you moved into that new flat yet?
No, December. Oh yes. I'm going. Oh, I guess who I'm going to see this weekend. Oh, I can't wait. Well, I don't really like the band. I just like one song. The Shapeshifters. Gonna listen to this bad lad of a song in Leeds. Ah, oh, this is a beautiful song. Is this a recut one? What? Nah, I do this one. So that's gonna be my little party. I'm gonna dress up as Batman, I think, as well.
Is this another one of your gay anthems?
Mate, do you not know that song? Are you fucking joking? I don't know any of the other songs though, so that's gonna be fun. But anyway. What is GJ doing? Did the 5-minute continue after? Oh, it has. I know some people will be in that 5-minute. Tap the 4 hour. How big was your stops?
Yeah.
Oh, 23 pips. You'll get a 1-to-1 probably here. To come back to the highs. So even then, right? Waiting for the high to be created, wait for support to form, even though it was a low time frame. Could be alright. I know, Joe. I know the owner, Simon. I know his sons. You know the Dunmore brothers. He's dating Caitlin's best friend, Charlotte. I'm with them quite a lot. How much did he sell it for? I think he said it was. I think it was 70 mil. I think it was 70 mil. I vaguely remember it being 70 mil. Because I was like, what? 70 mil? I thought it would be a little bit more. Not bad though, eh? Yo, invest in yen. Oh wow, I like your name. Invest in yen. Aren't investors struggling to invest in yen right now? So they're not too happy with it. Sell gold? Question mark. Yeah, I think a lot of people. I think Manuel will be looking at taking this sell with this 5-minute trend line. I'm gonna stay out of it. I just don't like how there's an OB here. So that actually makes my zone much smaller. 9 pips, and also this 50-minute support is pretty big. So it's just one of my rules. If I'm taking a 5-minute trend line and there's a 50-minute support right there or a 30-minute support right there, I'm not taking it. Just because it's a big support, right? And when I back tested it, it didn't seem to work too well. So I think that's just from, you know. I always think though, if you're like, oh, max 5-minute trend line, you know, here you've got to know if you want to take it or not, right? You've got to know, does this work? Out of the times I've took it, and from backtesting, I know that the 15 level can be quite tough. It's also hourly support as well. It's not even fucking. It's hourly 30, 15, and 5-minute support. So it has a clean range to the bottom. Yeah, if it breaks it, for sure. You know, it's breaking it now. Could do, but I'm staying out of it. Yeah, 266 people this morning, 51 likes. Let's get them likes up, guys. Yeah, so overall, the monthly 10 wins, 0 losses, 0 break even on the stream. Very, very nice. See if we can continue that this week. I stopped smoking in 96. Oh, wow, Ron. Good lad.
I'm 61.
Mm.
Old as fuck, boy.
Yeah, I think that the younger kids as well. Like, I'll try and show you the packaging of this. Let's do packaging of E-Lux. Like, look, it's like a fucking fruit thing. Like, look at it. All the kids love that shit, and it's so bad for you. Like, it's what's the thing on it? Like, it's 2%, but it's like it's a lot of cigs. Like, it's pretty bad. And this one isn't even the strong one. I had some of my mates and they're fucking strong. Stupid GJ my days. Yeah. Did you take a trade there? And then it went back to the highs. If it breaks 1653, can push down. Yeah. I just think it's going to be not worth the fucking 10 pips to gain just to get that little push. Elf Bar is popular now where I live. Yeah, it's pretty bad. I mix my own juice much better. It's much cheaper as well, better for the environment, man. So we got 6 minutes left until it's open. Unfortunately, I don't really see anything yet, so I'm happy just sitting here and just waiting for some opportunities. If it comes my way, great. But right now, there's nothing too much. Manuel, are you gonna enter here?
Oh, it looks like ugly as shit.
Yeah. $50 tabs in just one of the vapes. Oh, John, have you seen the Newcastle? Hey, Newcastle doing well. What the fuck? We've only lost one game, and also 2 of our draws we should have won as well. We're fucking smashing it. So there we go. It's closed below the trend line. Let's see if it works. But it's just one of my things. Yeah, Newcastle are doing well already. Shit. Happy. Oh yeah, it's Diwali Day, isn't it? Did I say that? I'm pretty sure Diwali. Yeah. Happy Diwali Day. Oh, that's what people were doing last night. I went past a club last night, and there was a lot of Indian people all raving. It must be because of that.
Talking about a lot of Indian people. First round of the cricket was on in Melbourne last night. India versus Pakistan. They put 90,000 tickets up for sale, and they sold out in 8 fucking minutes.
Really?
I don't think there was an Aussie in the whole joint.
Cricket.
Yeah. How big are the stadiums over there?
What, like ours?
Yeah.
Not that big. 90,000's big, man. 90,000 is like Wembley.
It holds over 100,000.
Wow, that's massive.
Yeah, the MCG, it's fucking gangster.
Wembley. I think Wembley's capacity. 90,000.
Oh, that's pretty big too.
Well, yeah, but that's like the biggest stadium. Like the ones like how much is Old Trafford? Is Old Trafford like 70,000? Yeah, 74,000. But not as big as yours. But there, I remember seeing videos of your stadiums because they're much more oval. Like, I don't know. It's not a football ground. You know?
Yeah.
Cricket is cack. I can't stand cricket.
You like soccer? I just don't get that.
But cricket is waiting game. People just wait to hit the ball.
What the fuck did you just say?
Just
listen to what you just said.
Cricket's a waiting game.
What the fuck is soccer then?
Soccer's fast paced.
Way more of a waiting game.
What? You
wait 45 minutes for them to kick a fucking goal.
No, but it's a build-up play. There's a lot more going on in the game. Cricket is just the fucking fielders are just bored out of their mind, just sitting waiting for a fucking ball to hit. Oh, I can't stand it. I fucking hate cricket. I played it once, it was painful. Every other person that I know plays cricket complains about how shit it is when they were younger, and they get forced by their dads to play.
Just a pussy.
Cricket is washed. Bro, full-time job is waiting for a setup, for sure. I don't want to wait for a setup in my job and then wait for a fucking cricket ball to hit to be a good fucking cricket thing for like 3 hours, 4 hours. They play all day as well. You have to play it for 2 days. What the fuck is that?
Get a bunch of mates together, Max.
Yeah, go for a piss for it, innit?
Go to Edney for the day, and I bet you change your mind.
Yeah, but that's just getting pissed. I could do that in a fucking white box of a room on my mates. It'll be fun.
It's the atmosphere. It's like when you go to the darts. It's the atmosphere.
Yeah. The dart is fun. Dart is good shit.
The darts.
Yeah.
You'd rather go.
They all dress up and shit. And all fucking, and it's all big fat men who are just pub lads. They're all just drinking. It's good stuff. England has a good team this World Cup. I'm from Bangladesh. Might win the match against Netherlands now. Happening live. Wait, what? It's happening live now? What are you laughing at, Finn?
Oh, it's just Brian. You just sent me the funniest thing.
Fucking Brian. You should get on the chat, boy. Too busy funneling his woman. So there we go, right? There's an example where it doesn't work, but it's because there's support right there. So just a little word of advice, just always go back to it before, right? Cricket is fun when you understand it, yeah. I understand it, it's a long game.
T20 is good. 2020.
T20.
Yeah, like you just 40 overs.
A bit, yeah, less overs.
Fucking hell, gold.
Oh,
Fuck you. Better not be in buys.
Stevie Boy's racking up my commission. Get up, boy.
Of course.
Take a big
well, I'm
look.
not anything on gold. I haven't been in gold since 7:30.
Yeah. It's gonna be a little bit hard for people, I think. 8 o'clock now, actually, the good volume. Let's take a look at the 30 close. 30 close bearish. Yeah. Where the fuck's my GJ gone?
Look at the 1 hour now.
Gold, just give us something.
Yesterday, anyways, one of the best matches. Well, they had to bring in the 100 because young people don't like cricket. No wick on gold. Yeah, that's a bit annoying. Could have maybe got if it made a low wick and then flipped. Oh well. If this is one of the mornings where you've got to sit there and be patient and use your discipline, it's a really good learning lesson. To just not take the trades that are a little bit risque. Because realistically here in the hourly, it's just ranging. And with such a massive move as well in Asian. Let it sort it out. Okay, bye guys, be good. Oh, see you later, Ron. Ronnie. There's a trend line for buys also. Is it this one here, the small one? Or the higher one? Yeah. Does it hit all three? Let's take a look. Are you looking for the buys, Manuel? The trend line? I think the buys might actually not be as bad.
Yeah, I have a trend line that goes, starts from, I moved it down a little bit, and I have it at 63.29, that 5-minute wick. Then you have 1, 2, 3 touches. Now you have the 4th touch on the 5 minutes.
That one, yeah, that's a nice one.
Yeah.
Only issue
But
is
the area is so
goes above-
shitty now.
Yeah, that zone's still quite small. I only follow my own setup just here for the vibes. Yes, sir. The only thing that could come soon is that EJ buys above 147. Yeah. Yeah. That is true. That is true. Doo-doo. Goldie is pushing. Oh my god. Yeah, this is gonna be an interesting morning for people if they're not too careful. I always think as well, especially for people in like the weekend who've been maybe like researching their new strategy, they've been going through stuff, they're ready to smash it on a Monday, and then they get like these conditions, and then they get slapped. Oh, it can kill people. It can really, really piss them off. Do you think GJ is going to reverse? I have no idea. GJ is just at the top of these highs. I have no idea. If it blasts through, great. If it rejects, great. I'm not touching any of it, to be honest. There's no clean zones. There's no clean areas I would want to target right now. So I just gotta wait. I mean, the only probably clean zone, if I wanted to do this zone, is these areas here. It seems to move quite quickly there. So maybe sells below 168,300, because this is quite clean, up and down. So yeah,
That's a 5 minute. That's a 30-minute OB.
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, it is. Yeah. Buy at the break of the flip of gold. Valid. Buy at the flip. Oh, the 4 hour. Yeah, whatever.
4 hour flip.
Yeah, whatever you want to do, man. 4 hour flip. The stop loss would be 45 pips.
Give over.
Got a big stop. Quite a big stop.
What way's gold going?
Still got no bottom hook in the hourly, but I think it should push. It's just... So the 5 minute closed.
Yeah.
How much would your stops be? 32 there, 16 on there. It's already at that level. The retest there could be alright. I just don't know if I'm gonna trust this level still. How close did it get to that 15 res? Yeah, pretty close, 3 pips. So I think a lot of the questions in the YouTube chat, I'm hearing it. Do you think this will work? Do you think this will work? Do you think GJ is going to reverse? Do you think this XYZ? I think if you don't know where things are going to go, then that's your answer, right? If you're struggling to find where it's going to go, you're probably correct, right? It's actually not, it's not hard to think. It's just, it's the common sense, right? If you're finding it hard and you need to ask me where GJ is going to go, it's probably, a time to just not take any trades because you don't know where it's going to go. It's not blatantly obvious. If it ain't blatantly obvious, then just, leave it on. Maybe better to wait for the US session. Maybe. I'm hoping that this, pushes in some direction to make some clean zones. So there's a 5 minute might be in there now. Manuel, did you get in or not?
Yeah.
Good lad. So people
I
who got
just
in.
didn't get hit in.
Do you want it a bit
That little
further
spike.
there?
I just had it a touch lower.
10 pips already.
Very, very nice.
Come on, Goldie.
It fucking pumped down real quick and then flew back up.
Yeah.
If you manually entered, your price could have changed big time.
See if you can break that res. If you got in on that level anyway, like around here, you'd be up. Yeah, you're up 10 pips. If it gets to that level there, then that's 15, 16. That's probably TP1. Stop loss was like 15, wasn't it, Manuel? Here. If you stop there.
Yeah, 10 pips on the wall.
So, decent people wanted to take that. Very nice. Push, Goldie, push for the boys. Yeah, it's a hard one that when it's obviously it's at the trend line, so you want to take the buy, but you also think it could maybe come a little bit lower to retest there. It's perfect when the trend line is right on the retest. Oh my god, beautiful.
Yeah.
That was like the one on Friday.
I wouldn't mind if we went to sweep Asian highs. That would be nice.
Nice. Just a
That'd be
little.
gorgeous.
Oh,
And that
So
little dump down
close.
was so fast.
Yeah, it was literally a second.
Yeah, you fucking had to do quick as.
Brian got it too.
Yeah, are you surprised?
Nope. I'm just glad a lot of people didn't take these ones down here, the cells, because that's risky. I think that one was much cleaner. I just didn't really like the stop and how the stop was on the low wick of the hourly. I just didn't think it was safe. Stop was below there. I mean, alright, but 32 pips. Oh. Actually, let's ask in the chat how's everyone's. I think in terms of our group as a whole, I think this month's been pretty good, eh? I think I checked my account. I'm up around about 20%, 22%, I think, which is pretty good. Let's just ask the chat.
gonna tap me out here.
Did you close any or not?
No.
How much do you risk per trade? 1.4%. Well, you know, it's just one of them things, especially the 5-minute trend line. It came to the res, it's rejected, right? That's the TP. You've got to close some there.
Yep, break even.
Very, very nice, very nice. Yeah, they're doing nothing, man. So let's just see how profitable everyone has been this month. Look at that rejection, boy. Damn!
Fucker. 17. I missed TP by 2 pips.
Why did you have it a little bit higher?
I just got it on the 1 minute, on the top of the highs, like over the last 25 minutes.
I'd always say look for the body, Steve. Can you see it taps the body? It normally always taps the bodies. I'd say that's the safest. 3% per trade, I'm good. Oh wow, 3% per trade, nice.
No, it never hit the top of the bodies, Max. It hit the bottom.
No, look the body. Look. This.
I'm on a different time frame, aren't I?
Yeah, well, let's look at the 15. No, I hit the body of the 15 as well, bro.
I'm lower. I'm on the 1 min.
Yeah, well, I'd say when you're in the trade, look at the higher ones, and that's normally where it'll go to. Especially the 30. You can see the 30 body, hourly body. So, oh my God, Goldie. Holy! Still look at GJ. Is GJ flipping as well? A little bit. Double top, right? You're looking at this M. Eyeing up this M. Comes back down. Retest. That could be quite nice because it's also a res as well, so we'll keep an eye out for that.
I'll just try the highs now. Fucking come on. Go down, baby.
Oh, the zone below.
Some fucking more candles we want to see.
See this 3-minute closure. Going for those lows. 275 people, man, amazing this morning. Did Wix do a stream this last night? I wonder if you caught any of that move. Let's take a look. Right, I'm gonna quickly go for a piss. I'll be 2 minutes. Looking at this 15, I'm gonna close anywhere that I like anyway. Be 2 minutes.
Did you get any of that, Manuel?
Yeah, I got. I closed 90% at 10 pips. 11 actually.
Well done.
Sales are incoming.
Oh yeah.
Problem's going to be stop loss.
No. If I hadn't been concentrating on the buys at the trend line, I'd have most probably got the sell at the OB.
And I never wanna see you again.
Ah, fuck.
What a stinking down there on that 5. No top wick either. Damn, boy.
Oh, gold can go down here. Fuck, it's just a stop loss is gonna be a problem.
Max, are you looking at the descending trend line on gold, like from the Asian low though?
Nah, I'm not looking at any trend line in this area. Even
You're not?
nah,
Okay.
I just don't like this. There's too many.
Is that an order block at the bottom there at the Asian low?
Yeah.
Is it?
So yeah. So I don't like that either. Yep.
It's just
look at it
we're
pull
back
up.
above anyway.
So actually just tapped it maybe there. Go on, Brian. Tell me that you're in. Yeah, it's a little order block there, which could be a little bit of an issue for the sells. 50-minute didn't close below the minus support anyway.
Right.
So yeah, we'll see. I'm still watching this GJ for that later on. I blew my account already on GU. Ooh, nice. Well done. It didn't stream first day of the week? Ah, fair. Oh yeah, this is a good month. Tommy boy is getting his Porsche paid and pips, boy. Is that OB still holding? Did it actually tap it or not? Well, yeah, it did. You'd be up 7 pips. It'd probably go break even. Hopefully this can flip and push up.
Didn't break structure that one.
Here.
Yeah.
Yeah, from up here, there. That's
Yeah.
true. Think I'm done with the charts today. Time for the latest episode of House of Dragon. Ooh. Oh, I saw that Smile movie. That was fucking scary, that. Fucking shat my pants on that. Oh. Okay, so how has your October been? 81 people voted. 47% of people not profitable. 53% profitable. Very nice. Still 47% of people not profitable. Put your reasons why you think you weren't profitable in the chat as well. Why not? Because I'm cack at trading, that's why. Fucking hine. Cack at trading, love it. Let me get my thing on actually. Oh. Let's get that on. Because I'm caca trading. Not profitable, taking a lot of impulse entries. There we go. I'll just sack off the impulse entries, man. One of my losses was a bit of an impulse as well. Sorry. That one, there was. Gold this month, 100% win rate. Jeez.
Gold's pushing down.
Breaking the Asian lows, maybe. If this 30-minute closes below, that could be reasonable. FOMO and overtrading. Yeah, there you go.
Max, have you heard of FOREX Tester 5?
No? I think I saw someone walk around in the chat there. No, I haven't. What is it?
I think it's a bit of an upgrade to Soft 4FX. I think the one thing that's maybe better is that you can add both charts and trade them during the week. So since we look at GJ and gold, we can probably look at simulating the whole week as GJ and gold on the same day.
You can do it together on the same day. That's pretty sick.
Yeah, but I think it's slightly a bit more expensive. It seems like $150 or something like that.
That's alright. Wait, this FOREX Tester 5.
I think so. You can do it, but you probably have to look at the trial first and see if it actually works.
Yeah, look how the pair's there. Looks it. I might try the trial and see how it is. Good idea. Good idea. How did you find that one? Just by searching it and looking up at it.
I think it was Michael Bamba that I was watching a YouTube video on it before.
Ah, very nice.
And there's a few discount codes going around, but hopefully Sash will find a crap version of it.
Sash will go in his deep, dark files and hack it somehow. Ah, yeah, fuck it, that's hot already. Todd Capital did a review on it. Alright, very nice. I have a 52% winning percentage, but my losses are bigger than my wins. Interesting. Is that because you're closing too early, or you're letting hit stop losses when you should be closing before? That's the beauty of trading. You can literally see exactly what you've done wrong, which is good. You know, you're limited with the data and have to subscribe for more data. Yeah, I think someone said that in the chat there. Play around with it, see what the score is. See what the score is. Do 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 do. 5 minutes retested Asian lows. Interesting for the sells, maybe.
Yeah.
20 pip stop on the previous. That could be alright. How long left for this 30? 8 minutes left. Yeah, we'll see how this 30 closes. See if it closes below Asian lows. GJ's lost its fuel. But, I mean, if you had to come to the charts and guess if it was going to move to in London this morning, would you have said yes? Well, probably not, because Asians fucking launched down, 400 pips. So 400 pips down, 400 pips up. So it's already done quite a big move. Over 800 pips in total. GJ can be good NY, yeah. Yeah. How can I stop taking more 5-minute trendline losses? Why are you taking the losses in the first place? Is it the same as us? Are you just trying to copy us? Because if you're trying to copy us, it isn't just a 5-minute trend line. It's a lot of different things. Like, for example, there was a 5-minute trend line break here, and we didn't take it. So it's a bit more than just a 5-minute trend line. You gotta go backtest it. High chance UK get an Indian Prime Minister. Mr. Richie. Rishi, is it? Not Richie, I suppose Richie, yeah. Rishi. What's his policies?
Rob everybody and make as much money as he can.
Yeah, I don't think anybody gives a fuck at this point.
Yeah, what happened?
Has anybody asked about any fucking anything? It's like, just give us somebody.
The last pussied out and left, pretty much.
He's shit as well, they're all shit.
Yeah.
Sad as it sounds.
Keir Starmer's still asking for a. How do they do that? How can they do a general election? How can they?
No, they vote. They only because I just heard it, but because I'm not really into any of this stuff. But apparently they have like a vote of no confidence against the government, against the opposition, and then they can force, if they get that, they can force a general election.
So a vote of no confidence from all the other parties, all the other. Well, there's obviously.
I guess they get, obviously they get more votes in the House of, enough votes in the House of Commons or whatever from all parties to say, we don't. This is an absolute shit show, and they need to Do
you know what I find hilarious? At the point where they should be doing their job, they're not doing their jobs. They're trying to get the job. It's like, can we not just fucking hurry up? Why do they have to take time to vote? Why can't we just do it today? Like, you know what I mean? Are you really gonna change? Which they're all fucking useless anyway. Just pick one.
Yeah.
So we can actually get the job done.
Well, it's just the game, isn't it? Really now.
Yeah. UK is quite a movie at the moment. Yeah. Yep. So how big is this zone from there to there? It's still 34 pips. There's support there though, which is not the nicest. Yeah, this zone's cack, man. Below 1647 is a little bit better, but there's still wicks everywhere, to be honest. Boris, yeah. Boris Johnson's coming back. There we go. So people who took the retest on the Asian, something like that. That would have worked out quite nicely.
Yeah, I broke even.
Mm-hmm.
I broke even on that.
You took a break even?
Yeah.
How far did it get in a profit?
I was only paper trading it, but
come back up.
I got part, but
it came back up.
Come back up.
Yeah, I saw that. Yeah, that's fair. GGM 50-minute Asian high. Yeah, I'm still waiting for this M to come down. Bri, you look interested in this? See if Bri's here. Because that'll be the 15-minute rejection, 30-minute as well. The only issue is it's 169 right there, so it needs to close down proper below that 4-hour zone. But yeah, I mean, if we can't get any trades in this session, I'm thinking of Goldie below either 47 or 42, because then the 42 would be a closure back in the zone. And it'll be below this big support here, so that'll be such a nice zone down here. It wants to get there for sure. That'd be the best. Do. 122 people voted, 51% not profitable. And for most of the people in the chat, it was because they were either over trading, revenge trading, etc, etc. Yeah, you just got to get over that hurdle of just not taking stupid trades when you're pissed off that you've missed a trade or pissed off a trade didn't work. Just get off the charts. Just come back the next day.
You've got it wrong, Max. The reason they're not profitable is because they haven't joined up the membership.
That is pretty true for this month. Idiots.
If they'd have joined the membership and just taken the trade you've taken this month, how much percent in profit would there be?
15, 16%.
15, 16% for the sake of 50 quid.
I know.
So if they've got 1,000 quid account.
I know, but that's the thing. They normally don't. That's the thing. People don't have that 1,000.
Or even 500 that are still being in profit.
Yeah. True. Made my 10 pips. Oh, very nice. How much risk per trade? 1.4%. 1.4%. Do you know Donvo? Yes. He's my boy. Oh, yes. And actually, another thing that we always discuss is because there's so many good traders in our group now that we all listen and learn from each other. It's great. It's not just me going, right, this is the answer. You know, there's so many different people talking, explaining different things, and it helps people out. I feel if it was just one person and you only get their value, it's limited. Whereas if you have lots of people talking, a lot of people taking different trades, obviously you can get quite confusing. So you need to have a level ground, but it does help a lot. For example, like even the OB thing when Ninja came in and Taylor and stuff, like finding levels that you might not want to take trades anymore. For maybe sells if this closed below and there's an OB there, you might be like, ooh, I might not like that. So is that why Brian is part of the mentorship so that he can learn from good traders?
Yes.
I haven't even asked Brian that though. Before he joined in January, was he in like December? Was he taking trade? Like what trades was he taking? Was it the same one? Has he been doing this
He
for
was already a gangster.
Really? Back in gangster.
Come on, Goldie, you twat.
What are you in now? A sell? 50-minute close below. I'm still not touching it, man. This hourly zones are just what? It's already tapped this hourly support. Can you see? Let's see if it drives down to 42 though, 47 though. Let's see if it gets there. Make me agree to find another. Brian, fuck off. Do you think 5k is a good capital for Forex? Yeah, I think that's a bit too good actually. If you're doing that at the start, I think it's too much money. I'd start. It depends how much money you've got though, because if 500 quid is a lot of money, like if you lose 500 quid, it's gonna hurt you. Then do that. If 500 quid is pocket change for you, then it's not gonna do much. So you need to do something where if you lose the account, which you probably will do at the start, it's gonna hurt. It's gonna fucking piss you off. It's gonna be very annoying. But you need to do that first thing. Go right. Okay, I don't really want to lose any more money now. Let's learn to do it the proper way and not take stupid, silly trades and stuff.
People want to learn to manage emotions, risk, blah 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 blah. 500 is more than enough to open very small lot sizes. 0.5 for example, 0.05, and then you're using 1%, and 0.05 gives you a chance to close partials to see how market works, and 0.05 already takes you say 10 euros in 20 pips. So already you can already work on your emotions with such a small amount. And if you've like spoken before, if you've been in the group, 17% of 500 euros, that's almost $100. Yeah. Almost. So, and that's in a space of 2 weeks. Yeah. It's more than enough.
Oh yeah.
I gave the gold cells a go then.
You've given them a go?
I did. I just didn't want it to come back to my entry. I wanted to push, so I jumped when it came back.
Yeah, messed around with that Asian as well. The only issue is here is it could swing the Asian. It could close back above the Asian. So it's worth just cutting it, I think. Nine doesn't believe in partials. Can't take partials on a 0.01.
Most common question asked to Roger.
Yeah.
How to close partials on a 001?
Is that true? You can't close partials on a 001?
No.
No, you can't.
Smallest
It's impossible. 001 is the minimum you can open.
Yeah. Minimum.
You learn something new every day. I've gone break even on gold.
Yeah, because this could swoop the Asian lows over here. Well, it's already swooped them and it could close back above.
Gonna be that way, isn't it?
You know what'll happen though? It'll dump straight after.
Yeah, it's just a hard zone on gold, man. It's just if I was in the sim, I would just sack this off until we get lower. Even for buys are ass as well. Like there's just so many resistances. One there, one there, one there, one there, one there, there. It's just the zones are so small. Whereas if I get down and I just wait for cells below there and there, it's much cleaner. That's the only reason why I'm waiting for it. Gold will continue down. Very nice. Gold will continue down.
I'm going to take it out.
Checking if gold gives the ICT 2022 model short entry. ICT. This gold doesn't look like it's coming down at the moment. 9 minutes left. There's still got a lot of time. Could still reflip, but there's rejection wicks already. What? 5 minute doesn't like it.
Come on, Goldie, just dump.
Gold going to 1680. Okay, so someone says gold's going to 1680. Someone says gold is going down. Ooh, who is going to be right? It's like roulette. Do you think cent account is good for starting Forex? Yes, a cent is great. Do you know what I find funny? How people like didn't even just find out like closing half in a 0.01. Like you just can't do it like by just like trying it, you know? Like I did that shit when I was like 16. Don't have to ask anyone. I just thought, well, this is the lowest slot. Let's see if I can half it. Oh no, I can't. That shit when I was 16. Some people just don't like working, like doing stuff for themselves. Let's take a look. See if this Goldie dumps. Where is Eloy? He's in prison.
It's not gonna, is it?
The 15 doesn't look too bad now. It needs to break that previous low, then you might be alright, but it's... ICT. I think that Hannah person's doing an ICT thing. What's she called? Hannah FOREX. I think I saw a video.
The best backtesting software out there, and it's made me fall in love with backtesting all over again. And today's video, I'm going to share that with you. This application is called FOREX Tester 5. You
look.
can demo it for free and it runs on Windows. So if you have Windows, then cool. But if you have a Mac, here's how you get it. So I actually have a M1 16-inch MacBook Pro. Gosh, that is a mouthful. But I basically have to get a separate application called, now I'm going to jump in our parallel, any symbol that you want to really do testing after. This is also really important to mention, is you can switch between time frames. Down on this panel, you can see any open positions. You can have your account history as well. And when you click any of these panels, you can actually move it to where you want. So you can say, I can put it to.
That's quite good.
Next thing that I really want to go over is chart settings. So either you can right click on chart settings, just kind of like TradingView. Next thing that I think is really important.
ICT concepts.
So one of the first things that I like to put in.
ICT, yeah.
Ted did a very smart move now.
Huh?
Ted did a very smart move.
Yeah, I saw. Put it on TradingView.
Yeah.
I'm surprised why others haven't done that yet.
Well, you have to have, I don't know.
Costs a lot to put it on, I think.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's sick.
But I wouldn't be surprised, to be honest. I wouldn't be surprised if you'd see the minion market on it afterwards as well.
Oh, 100%, yeah, of course.
Yeah, because I really don't know if Ted has a small hand in that Russia project.
Interesting, yeah. Squeeze 10 pips out of the gold on the 15. Flip, runner destroyed, did not break the low of the previous. Yeah, it should do it now. Let's look at the fives. The fives look okay to break, but it's bloody taking its time, eh? If you guys got into sells at this area, I'd be at break even there. Just hope this can push. GJ question mark. If it's a question mark, you probably have no idea what it's doing, and neither do I. So leave it alone. GJ looks like shit. Okay, you need to be able to identify that GJ is. There's no volume. It ain't good. Can I join the mentorship? Sure. There's a link to join it here. GJ news at 9:30. Is it? Wait, squeeze 13 on gold, retest Asian lows. Wait, on the 5. Right. Yeah. Was it before or I saw this one? I need it sick. Steve's taking 15 trades in this gold area. Oh, there we go. Push. Push, boy.
Damn you, gold.
How much was stop there? Yeah, stop there was 32 pips as well, man. And I fucked around this flip like 50 million times, so I think that's fair to break even there, Finn. That is fair dues. So see how it reacts to these hourly levels here. But if you are in a trade and you haven't closed any yet and you're up a bit, I would probably close some. Because if you take a look to the hourly here, hourly rejection there. Do you have a running trade? No. I didn't like this gold zone. But it was a closure below. I see. On the current support. Also Asian lows. Nice retest of the Asian lows. So you can see how people wanted to get in here. I just didn't really like the left side.
I've only had 5 trades today, Max.
That's not too bad. Not too bad.
But I am outside in my onesie and my rigger boots going to get a cigar from the car.
Well, you said you stopped smoking. Mr. Bry, what do you think about this M, boy? 50 minutes closing in a minute's time. So look at the 30 as well. 4 hour flipping again. Needs to break that 4 hour zone better. 4 hour flip. Look at those daily wicks, man. Damn. I'm surprised they're so high still, man. Let's close below 169. Yeah, agreed. Oh, Sashin. In from 169 to 130. This one here. Very nice. Balls are a tad sweaty. Sweaty bollocks. 169 was scary. Yeah, man. It's still holding it, eh? Look at it. Still holding it. There we go. There's gold tapping the previous zone. You can see there's a little support there. Right there. 1647, 48.9. Nice little level that takes them off as well. Look at that 5-minute retrace back at that support as well. I think the buyers could be right there later on. Maybe. Will you enter on the close below 1647? Yeah. Potentially. It'd have to be a 30-minute or an hourly closure though, because it's hourly support and stuff. So yeah. Yes, sirree. For 15 closed, didn't close below 169. Closed on it, so I'm not going to touch it. If the XY close above, go up and gold melt. Ah, yes. Took a beautiful GJ sell. Okay, let's take a look at this chart. Let's take a look at this chart. Okay, GJ 30-minute time frame. 30-minute close bearish. Bearish closure resistance did hold. Okay, nice. Wick fill 20 pip range at wick closed position 90%. Beautiful. You got on the break at the previous low. Current stop loss. Very nice. The good thing is as well is that that stop loss there was pretty safe because it was at the res. So nice.
I found one. Yeah.
It's scattered in your car.
No, you can buy little packs of 10 cigarillos for like a $5. And I knew there was one in one of the cars somewhere. Juice talking about vaping.
Just keep talking about vaping. Hell no.
Oh God, I haven't even got a lighter.
Yeah, that was nice, GJ. Ah, this Goldie. Push down, boy. But in terms of the daily time, just look what we've done. Yeah, we've came up to the level here. This is a shit zone on the daily. My God, rejected it. Flipped the daily to come bearish. But we still got a lot of time for this double bottom to still hold. So The sells below 1620 could be rather nice as well. Yeah. Potentially back down to 1578, 1580. If we do break that level. Because the next support's down right to 1580, 1586. So that should be good. If you try and get 200 likes in the stream, we'll do a little Magic Keys giveaway as well. Make sure to like them up. Also, for the people that have liked my Instagrams, the past Instagrams, we'll also do that giveaway soon. So if you guys haven't yet, make sure to go to the Instagram. Make sure it's the right one, because there's fucking scammers everywhere for some reason. Recently anyway, there's been loads. And make sure to go like these. I'll do a giveaway on here as well. Like all these. Yeah, boy. Yeah, look at Goldie. It's just struggling to push it. Interesting. Very interesting. Shash, have you got a runner on, or did you close full? Actually, it would be hit out now, wouldn't it? Yeah. Took a little bit of profit. Do we see there's any news later on for US? Oh, there's 9:30 manufacturing, yeah. But later on, it's actually not too bad. 2:45, there's manufacturing for US as well, but for the most part, it's not too bad. Not too bad.
Max, was that a W on gold on the 5 min? Or is that not?
Yeah, I think it's looking like one.
Kind of.
Yeah, it's looking like one. And that actually could be quite nice with the Asian lows as well. If it comes a retest, could be nice, yeah. So it hasn't formed yet, because now you've got to wait for this next candle to close above the neckline here. But then it could be nice for sure. It's clean candles up, so yeah, it could be good.
Good morning, fellows.
There's Elohe. Hello. Good morning. Good morning.
Good morning, guys.
How are you doing? How was your weekend?
Oh, perfect, man. Really good.
Very
Just
good.
raining days here, like a London.
Really?
Yeah, man. Just raining. I'm fucking freezing. I don't know. Sometimes it's good, stay in the bed, do whatever you want.
When it rains, just stay in bed all day. You Portuguese, man.
Man, I can stay in bed all day. I have 2 kids, I have at 7 in the morning. I have 2 grams. Kick my balls all day.
Have you taken a trade this morning? Have you taken a gold trade?
No, man.
Yeah, I'm still waiting.
Today I in the car. I need to bring the kids in the school. I say, oh, forget, man.
You're busy.
But big jump this last week in the end of the day.
Yeah, boy.
What do you think, Max?
Gold go up maybe soon.
Yeah, I believe the same. Like a 57, 60. Big jump. Oh no, I think I start a new challenge in this week.
Oh, very nice.
Yeah, for grow up my account.
Yeah, what are you doing? You're driving your kids to school with no license. So if this closed above here, stop losses be... Oh, stops are quite big, yeah. We'll see, we'll see.
Oh, my mortgage just jumped, guys.
Yeah, man, interest rates.
Oh my God, but just jumped $400. You know, it's a lot.
Oh, that's a lot.
Yeah. I pay like a 450, and next month I need to pay 900.
Fucking hell, wow. Double.
Yeah. Look, I call you in a couple of minutes, guys.
Yes, okay, it's okay. Yeah, he lives in Portugal. Just took some EU buys. Max, did you watch the Dama series? Yeah, I'm in the middle of watching it. It's okay, I'm liking it. Going for it, it's looking good. I like it, it's very nice. It's disturbing, yeah. Yeah, it's a bit mad. I just can't understand why you would do it, I just don't get it. Gold will drop, more pips incoming. Ooh, very nice. There's 5 minutes left for this candle. Also the hourly closure. Look at them 5 minute candles, boy. Oof. Struggling. Come on, finish this gold move. What's the Dama series about? It's about some guy just fucking drugs these people up and then just kills them and just fucking keeps them in his house. The bones and shit. Fucking mad. The actor
I've been
in
watching
it's
that
sick.
House of Dragon.
Oh yeah, you enjoying it?
Yeah, I've enjoyed it. I was surprised I enjoyed it, but I did.
Apparently it is good. Yeah, I think a lot of people. What's the rating on it? House of Dragons IMDb rating? Because I haven't heard anything that's like it's pretty good. Everyone likes it, which is mad as well. Because normally when they fuck up a show like that, like, you know, the last Game of Thrones is a bit shit. Normally it's just shit. Yeah, look at that. Look at the ratings. Nice. 8.6 out of 10, yeah. A lot of people like it. Max, buy Bitcoin. Daily broke the trend line and weekly close strong bullish. Ah. Interesting.
Don't join the pyramid scheme again, Max.
I'm not. I've only got some mentorship payments on it. I'll fucking, when it goes up a little bit, I'll just take it out. Ah, it's gone fuck all up, man. Look at that range. Look at that range. Oh my god. Drugs their cocktails at Taylor Swift's concert. Fuck's sake, session. Guy goes to eat breakfast with his gran while there's dead bodies in his bedroom upstairs. Yeah, that's mad. Yeah, Bitcoin is ranging. Severely ranging. Look at the monthly. Do you think the monthly's a buy? Hell no. This monthly, if it breaks that low, oh, clean candle. 1386. The last monthly candle closed below as well, so I still don't think it's bullish. So yeah, in terms of later on, I'm going to probably wait for gold to come down a little bit further, but I just don't know. I feel the sells are not going to be long lasting for some reason. They just don't seem to be pushing very hard. But we'll see. I'm not really too asked about this zone, to be honest with you. I'd rather wait until there's a nice zone. GJ, same thing. It's right at the highs. The buys are going to be painful, and the sells is not really a clean zone below. Unless you maybe got a closure back below 168720. I think that could be okay. For the most part, though, it's just a hard day to start off with. But that's fine. As long as you save your bullets and you only take trades that are reasonable. There's that 1 5-minute trend line here, which was not too bad. You might have got 13 pips out of it, 15 pips. But apart from that, I don't think there was too much. Yeah, I think people with the whole Bitcoin thing just need to think of it in terms of what's going on around now. It's the time where the next year or so, people are going to have the least amount of money. So do you think they're really going to be holding Bitcoin? No, they're probably going to have to take it out to use it to pay for the fucking mortgages, or, you know, the demand's going to be a lot less for it. So even if it was, you know, bullish, I don't think it's going to be for very long in the next year or so. And that's just me. So hourlies are closing now, 30 seconds left. Yeah, gold's closing in no man's land, not really below anything. Still got a lot of levels here to break. GJ, same kind of thing. Hourly's closing bearish, but there's nothing much going on for me here. So yeah, I might leave until NY session, guys. So yeah, no trades this morning. That's fine though. It's just a Monday. Kind of hard levels as well. So happy to have left them. So yeah, see you guys back at 12 o'clock for the NY session on Zoomy. We'll do simulation sessions tomorrow. Today I'm a bit busy. Yeah, thank you very much for coming on. Good discipline today.
Thanks, Max.
See you later, guys. Peace out, squad.
See you later.
See you later, alligator.
See you.
See you later, YouTube. Thank you very much for coming on. If you guys do want to join the mentorship, we've had over 10 people join, I'm pretty sure, in the past couple of days. So there's a lot of new people. So make sure to come and sign up for that if you guys want to join NY session and all the sims and all of the webinars. And yeah, peace out, guys. Adios, amigos. Thank you so much for coming on. Make sure to like before you leave. And peace out.